Today, one of the most common and probably the fastest cloud services for securely storing and sharing content and files is Dropbox. This tool allows you to create a free and paid profile. The main difference is in the capacity of our virtual hard disk. The free version is currently 2 GB and the paid version is 1 TB. To start using it, you need to enter Dropbox.com. The first step is the registration, which takes a few minutes. You need to enter the basic profile information, approve the terms and conditions and create an account. From now on, once you are logged in, you can safely enjoy the advantages that the app offers. Before fully accessing the services, we need to verify our email address. Go to your email account and open the received email, which contains a button, Verify Email. You need to tap. From now on, you can already share files and folders. It is good to start with the settings to adapt them to our preferences. The options are divided into 3 groups: Profile tab, Account tab and Security tab. The Profile tab allows us to change our name, email address, language and set the date format. In the Account tab, you will find information on your occupied and free space. You can change the rate to a higher one, and link your Dropbox account with Facebook, Twitter, etc. This tab allows you to delete your Dropbox account, while the Security tab allows us to change the password, activate 2-step authentication with mobile phone, and control which apps and devices we have connected to our account. Uploading files and folders works just like in Windows. You can drag the file, folder from the hard disk to the Dropbox window and let it go. The special feature of virtual hard disks is the possibility to share your content. With Dropbox you can do this in 2 ways. Folder sharing. Right-click on the folder you are interested in and select Invite to Folder. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to invite and select View Mode with Edit or Preview. Links to folders or files. You can share our resources as links. Right-click on the file or folder you are interested in and select Share Link.
To disable sharing, click on Options and disable folder sharing. To remove a link, go to our links and delete the files we are interested in. The second way to operate on our hard disk is to install a desktop application. Once logged in, from the drop-down menu in the top right-hand corner, you can tap on Install. After downloading and installing the program, you log in as in the browser. At the first start, a new Dropbox shortcut appears in Favorites. Caution! The people you invite must be registered in Dropbox to be able to view the folder. The contents of the virtual drive are automatically synchronized with the folder on your drive. To change the file storage on your computer, you have to click on the Dropbox icon in the taskbar.